Alrighty guys, we went and picked up a HART 5-tier shelf. It's supposed to be heavy duty, blah 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 blah. Okay, whatever. Oh, I guess the first thing to do is unband it, huh? Whew, I'm tired already. I mean, all I did was unband it. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and set this down. I was gonna say hopefully without losing any of the pieces, but I had one roll away on me. Alright, I don't see any instructions with it. Oh, maybe this is it. No, this is not it. This is the tape. Oh, look, right there's probably the instructions. But these pieces would help you attach it to a wall. Of course, you break these apart, and then the middle piece gets tossed, and these two brackets help you attach it to the wall. Alright, it doesn't look like there's any front or back. It looks like it's the same both ways. So, just like with all these units, you put your tubes in the corners. We can use the ground for support. And pardon the mess, I just tossed my trash over here, so. Anyway, you're going to put these four tubes in your corners. Again, you don't want them tight. It's not all the way in. You just want them tacked in enough. You can still move them around to get your shelf on. Put your shelf on. There's going to be holes in the bottom of this for those to go into. And you want it still to be able to move around. Okay, now that those are in, stand up, push down on them. Oops, I missed one. And that's when you get them secured. That's when all four of them are lined up. And you just build from there, guys. You just build up. As you go. And of course I dropped one, I dropped two, but I need this one. And you put your nice shelf on. It's not hard. It's just really hot back here. It's not even hot outside. I should open the door. I should open the door. Let some cool air in. Alright, with those lined up, get those in there. And then push them all down. Push them all down to get them in. Alrighty, we're on the next shelf. So again, the same thing over and over again, guys. Just put them in and line up the next shelf. Okay. Put some weight into it, you know? Get those down there. This is where you get them tight. Once all four are in, below, then you get it tight. And we got one shelf to go.
Oh.
And with the last shelf, it's going to be the same thing.
That's a lot smaller.
Smaller? I don't know about that. Once all four of those are in, same thing. Line her up at the top. Now this time you can't push down. You're going to pull down. At least a little bit, just to get those two locked in so you can get this side started. And then, once that's done, you can just pull down on these two. And if they stay lined up, bing, bada boom, you're done. Okay, let's go over some dimensions on this. See, this is 36 inches wide, so 3 feet wide. 18 inches deep, so 1.5 feet deep. And 72 inches tall, which is 6 foot. And again, I'm 6 foot. I am 72 inches tall. This says this is 72 inches tall. I mean, by my reckon, I'm 2 inches taller than it. Which means this is only 70 inches, not 72. But she's together. She's got plenty of room to put a whole bunch of stuff on. And this is going out to the garage, so I can actually get some stuff off my floor and everything else. So happy, happy, happy.